coconut water, ujala, and rice flour coin. This is a very old East India 1818 released one anna coin. This is a very rare coin. This is a normal glass. I will change the position. This is the 70% solution alcohol for this one using for cleaning purpose. I use this alcohol for cleaning the old coin. I'm not not using any chemical on this coin. Now totally cleaned. I think the glass is center of the camera. Yes, here. This is a center. This is a normal coconut. Please watch carefully. This is a normal coconut. We are not opened this one. Just now I will open and collect the coconut water. I make a hole for taking coconut water. Yes, this is very easy to make the hole on the coconut. Yes. Now the coconut water poured to the glass. I think we will get a glass of water. Yes. Oh my God. We got only half of the water of the glass. This is the coconut water, pure coconut water. This is our coin. Next, we will put a couple of drops of ujala on this into this water. Yes, I just mix it well with the coconut water. You can clearly see that the whole ujala mixed with the coconut water. Next, just I put this coin into the glass. Just wait for a couple of minutes. We can see the real power of this coin. We are not using any chemical. We are just using a coconut of water. On other videos, they are using normal water or mixed with some chemicals for doing this type of videos. Now you can see the color getting more transparent. The color getting diffused with the coin. This is not a chemical reaction. This is the real power of this coin. Yes, it getting more transparent. The coconut water are getting more transparent like normal water. Still there is some ujala color. I think the coin absorbed the maximum color from the water. Next we will take out the coin from the coconut water. This is the maximum. Yeah. This is our coin. I will just clean out the coin. You can see this one Anna East India Company 1880. The back side of our coin, we can see the gods. These are my really experimental